Wouldn't it be great to finally find a comfortable shapewear that actually shapes you up? Now there is something available you will absolutely, positively fall in love with. And it works like nothing you've ever seen or worn before. It's called Slensera. Slensera is a one-piece shaper that goes from just below your bust line to your buns and thighs. But this is no ordinary shaper. It's made with the latest scientific breakthrough, a bioceramic fabric. When this fabric comes in contact with your skin, the 4,000 bioceramic particles in Slensera absorb your body's heat through far infrared thermal energy. This causes your body to activate more circulation and produce more heat to compensate for the original heat loss, and thus you burn fat. So please join us for a few minutes as we help shape the future and your body with the Slensera Shaper.
My name is Linda Elkin, and this is my co-host Heather Storm, who seems to be just lounging around relaxing.
Well, actually, I'm losing inches around my midsection just by lying here. I could be talking on the phone, watching TV, or just taking a nap, and I'm still slimming down.
Well, she's telling the truth. We're both experiencing measurement loss just by standing here. And that's why we're here today, to tell you about one of the newest and most effective discoveries to slim you down. And it has nothing to do with diets, exercise, pills, lotions, or creams.
Nope, it has to do with your clothes. More specifically, your undergarments.
Introducing the Slensera Shaper, a one-piece undergarment that goes from just below your bust line to just above your knee. And it's been designed to help you get rid of that excess fat around your midsection and tone up your buns and thighs to the point that you'll start to get rid of that dreaded cellulite.
Slensera works in two ways. First of all, you put it on under your clothes and immediately it looks as if you've lost up to 2 clothes sizes. Instant gratification. Wow. Why? Because Slensera is different from any of those department store shapers. Slensera is made with a bioceramic fabric. When this fabric comes in contact with your skin, the bioceramic crystals absorb your body's heat in the form of far infrared rays.
Yes, and those little dots that you see, 4,000 of them, they're the bioceramic crystals that absorb that heat. And this causes your body to increase circulation, which produces more heat to compensate for the original heat loss. Thus, you burn more fat. So how do we know Slensera does what we say it does?
We did a little experiment. We asked a model to wear a typical store-bought shaper for one day and Slensera for one day. Then we did thermographic imaging using both shapers.
The thermographic results from the department store shaper shows a cold blue color. It's just like any ordinary piece of underwear you might buy, and it will do nothing to permanently help you lose inches or centimeters. Well, now, look at the Slensera shaper with all its bioceramic crystals. You see that red color showing her body heat? Well, eventually her circulation revs back up into high gear, which produces and absorbs more heat. And that fat starts to disappear, thereby slimming her down.
It's a great feeling to look in the mirror after 30 days of wearing the Slensera and see just a tighter middle area. My clothes fit much better than they have before. I don't feel like I'm busting out of some of my pants. Everything just fits very nicely again, and I'm just comfortable.
Women love to shop. I know I do. And when it comes to buying new clothes after you've just lost some weight, that's even better. It's a whole new you buying a brand new wardrobe. So we sent some of our testimonials on a shopping spree. Now remember, they all lost 2 to 3 inches after 30 days of using Slensera. Let's see what happened.
You know, Slensera is the easiest way I have lost 2 dress sizes. It's easier than dieting.
Girls, I would have never picked this off of the rack a couple of years ago, but I think I'm gonna give this a shot. I like it. What do you girls think?
I think it looks really sexy.
You look so skinny.
I love you, Slensera.
Let's talk about that dreaded word, cellulite. We all get it, and it's due to our female hormones causing poor circulation. So wouldn't it be great to find something that will finally make a difference?
Well, now for the good news. Slensera. Because Slensera activates surface circulation on the back of your thighs and in the stomach region, it helps get rid of your cellulite in those areas.
I've always had a problem with the cellulite, but since I've worn the Slensera, it started to diminish and it's starting to fade. And I'm so more confident now that I can go out in a bikini and feel better about my body.
So why was bioceramic fabric chosen as the material for Slensera?
Well, it's because it's the most suitable material that adapts on contact with the human body. It's heat reflective, so the bioceramic particles interact with the body better than anything else to produce a thermal effect.
But don't get the idea you're going to be uncomfortable wearing Slensera. It's very breathable and comfortable, and it doesn't make you sweat. That's why many of the space shuttles use a ceramic material, because it reflects solar radiation in space but keeps the inside of the shuttle safe and cool.
Well, now it's time for you to do something good for yourself and your body. Now you have the opportunity to buy a Slensera shaper. Not only will it flatten your tummy, it'll hide your love handles and start to make that orange peel skin disappear. Measurement loss is one phone call away. You can't beat that. Slensera. Here's how to order.
Do you currently wear a shapewear product that's too restricting, and once you take it off, you still see those ugly bulges you hate? Wouldn't it be great to finally find a comfortable shapewear? Now there is something available you will absolutely, positively fall in love with. And it works like nothing you've ever seen or worn before. It's called Slensera. Slensera is a one-piece shaper that goes from just below your bust line to your buns and thighs. But this is no ordinary shaper. It's made with the latest scientific breakthrough, a bioceramic fabric. When this fabric comes in contact with your skin, the 4,000 bioceramic particles in Slensera absorb your body's heat through far-infrared thermal energy. This causes your body to activate more circulation and produce more heat to compensate for the original heat loss, and thus you burn fat. Just by putting it on, you'll immediately appear to have lost up to 2 clothes sizes. Because of its one-piece seamless design and its slimming zones, it will automatically smooth out unsightly bulges, lumps, and muffin tops. You'll lose up to 3 inches or 7 centimeters just by wearing it daily. You'll look in the mirror and watch fat disappear from your midsection and love handles. And don't forget about cellulite reduction. Your buns and thighs will tone up, thereby reducing or eliminating that unwanted orange peel skin. Finally, you can forget about strenuous exercising, crash diets you never stay on, useless creams and lotions, or risky operations. Nothing can be easier than putting on Slensera. We had a model wear an ordinary store-bought shaper one day, and the next day, she put on the Slensera shaper. This thermographic imaging explains how effective Slensera is. The department store shaper stays cold, thereby not getting any fat loss benefit. Slensera, with its bioceramic particles, shows an increase in body temperature. It's a noticeable difference. Bioceramic fabric is the material of the future, and with Slensera, you can wear it anytime, anywhere, any place, and it'll feel comfortable from morning to night. Considering what shapers sell for, up to $125, Slensera is a bargain. With Slensera, you won't be paying $125 or even $100 or even $50.
Call 817-7000 now and the Slensera can be yours for only 1,595 pesos. Slensera is the incredible revolutionary one-piece shaper that starts just below the bust line, continues down to the buns and thighs, giving you that lovely figure that you always wanted. You'll look 2 sizes slimmer instantly. Feel confident wearing any kind of dress. Wear it all the time. Under your clothes, on a girl's night out, while working out. It's that comfortable. This revolutionary, innovative one-piece Slensera shaper is made with a bioceramic fabric, the latest scientific breakthrough. As soon as the bioceramic fabric touches your skin, the 4,000 bioceramic particles present in the shaper absorb the heat from your body through far-infrared thermal energy. This makes your body activate more circulation and produce more heat to make up for the original loss of heat, helping you burn excess fat. The best part? You instantly look 2 sizes smaller, while the bioceramic fabrics actually helps burn fat. Indeed, Slensera is the shaper you need in your closet right now. What are you waiting for? Pick up the phone and dial 817-7000 right now, and we mean right now, to order your Slensera for only 1,595 pesos. This is the revolutionary shaper that really shapes you up. Measurement loss is only a phone call away. 817-7000 for your Slen Sarah. Call now